Okay, we're doing Universal Passholder night. Let's see what we get into. Goal is to have fun and try pizza fries. Y'all, the grandma and me took 2 Advils and 1 allergy medicine. So, just trying to survive. I feel like it's gonna be so crowded later. Like, it's gonna be mayhem. People everywhere. Like, it's a lot of people now, but it doesn't feel that bad. But let's meet up with Nene. To find Nene. She said she had this pizza place. Met up with Nene. We're waiting for Chrissy. What's our game plan? We have a game plan for tonight? Speak easy before the pre-party. There's a pre-party this year. It's a, what is it?
A block party?
It's a block party. So it's from 4 to 6. And then we just have to get into the park before 7 so we can get like our magnet, which is the mummy magnet. And Emotep is my favorite ride at Universal on that side. So we all gotta get it because that's our favorite ride. I think last year we rode it like 4 times.
Yeah, we just
on Passholder night.
Yeah.
It was fun because it was like no wait. And then what else? I'm excited to like hear the music around the park.
Me too.
Because I like a vibe. I know. I feel, hopefully Noreen get her magnet. I know. Period, as she should. I would have been right there too. But yeah, we're waiting for Chrissy, which no rush. We said we was gonna get here early so that we can do the block party. So we just chilling, trying not to sweat our lives away. I have my extra battery, which I never remember to bring an extra battery. So there's that. Nene has her fan, so all is well in the world. I really okay. It's hot. Woo! Chrissy's here.
Oh my god, it's light.
Okay, so quick reminder for anybody going to this, you need to go to the Arches first by Universal entrance and get your wristband. Gosh, have us doing work. Okay, guys, so now we're gonna go get our passes, wristbands, blah blah blah, all the things. Ooh, child, it's hot.
You need this again?
Probably.
Yeah, take it, grab it.
Thank you. Woo! It's raining very hard, but it should stop. We're waiting for the rain to stop. But I don't know, where are we going? Oh, we're going to see the parade next, right?
It's parade. I know to say.
It's at 6. What time is it?
Yeah, it's 5 something.
Oh, then they might cancel that parade. So sorry. Okay.
Are you sure you can get it?
I can't. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Hang on. Oh, I scared myself with my eyes again.
Oh god.
I feel like I should do more color eyeliner.
It's a regular
Yeah,
stuff.
it's
Not
probably the
worth
discount. It's probably the discount stuff. We just got off the Mummy, and this is where we're gonna go get pizza fries because I really want some pizza fries. Nene, I don't think wants pizza fries. She had pizza already, anyway,
I did.
and she don't even do red sauce. Yes, it should be. Oh my, so excited for pizza fries. I thought I would never try pizza fry. Let's try pizza fry.
Let me look, because it also I keep my screen down. So it probably ain't even that dark.
I see the hype, Chrissy.
It's not that dark.
Well, I'm dark, so. Eight out of 10. You need a little pepper. We just went to the dance party. Now I think we're gonna go meet Elphaba and Glenda or Megatron, I think. I'm not totally sure. I'm just following them. We did everything we wanted to at this point. We're just walking around, enjoying the vibes and everything.
I'm gonna watch this and I'm getting ready.
He's so dumb.
She laughing at you.
We're going on E-Tain Phone Home, and I have never seen this movie either. Wow. I'm so
She
cultured.
told me she on the hunt for food, right?
E.T. We're trapped. But we finished it. I think we're going home. Low key, high key. Where you going? She don't even know. She don't want to go through the thing. SpongeBob. We are in the store now. We're gonna leave soon because it's hot as doo-doo. It's true. It's like $20. These are so cute. Okay, guys, we're done with Passholder night. It was fun. It was a little crowded than normal from last year, but I'm tired. It's time to go to bed and wipe my face off. But my face stayed, so that's all that matters.